Everyone. Today we are going to learn about functions. What are functions? Functions are small blocks of code written on one side. For example, in this I have defined a function called as jump, which will make my character jump whenever the function is called. So there are two parts of function. One is we have to define the function, what that function will do, and then when we are writing our main code, we have to call it. So one is defining and the other part of function is calling it. A function only defined, when we just define a function and we don't call it, it will not work. As you can see in this case, and here also, I have defined a function for the butterfly to make it fly, to flutter basically. Okay, and it is not called here, and even the cat does not have the function jump called here. I have just defined them. So my code will not do anything since I have not called it. Now, if I go and get my function called here, so what this will do, it will, when I click the flag, it will call the function fly after going to a certain position. So if I click on the flag, then it will fly it because it is calling it. Okay, and you can see that the sprite, the cat sprite still is not jumping because I have not called it here. So I have to call it here again. So now if I stop and I restart it, you can see that it is jumping at least one time. Now it depends on me how I want to call it. Maybe I want to call it forever in the loop. So I can just go and do it like this. Okay, so this is the functions are very useful for us in coding because they reduce the code lines for us. They make the repetitive tasks easier, and they make our code shorter and very optimized. They are used in each and every language, in each and every programming language, be it block-based like Scratch, or be it Python or JavaScript, or any other language for that matter. I hope you learned the functions nicely today. Thank you.